They say knowledge is power, but what happens when power begins to think without a conscience? For the first time in history, we've created something that can outthink us, yet doesn't understand us. It doesn't love, it doesn't hate, it doesn't feel. And that's where the story of artificial intelligence becomes less about machines and more about us. Imagine a machine that decides who gets a job, who receives medical care, or who lives and who dies in an automated car crash. If that decision goes wrong, who's responsible? The engineer who built it, the company that trained it, or the algorithm itself? We've given intelligence the power to judge, but we haven't given it the ability to feel guilt. That's not just a technical flaw, it's an ethical crisis. AI is not dangerous because it's evil. It's dangerous because it learns from us. Every dataset, every post, every decision we feed, it becomes a reflection of our collective morality. Our biases, our anger, our greed, multiplied by algorithms. We call it artificial intelligence, but maybe it's more accurate to call it amplified humanity. Because what we build doesn't create a new kind of being. It amplifies what we already are. At what point does a creation stop being a tool and start being something else? When it learns faster than we can understand. When it begins to make decisions we can't predict. We once feared monsters made of metal. Now we fear the invisible mind inside them. A mind shaped by our choices, our data, our mistakes. The real question isn't, can we control it? It's, can we control ourselves? Plato asked, who should rule, the wise or the powerful? Today, that question takes a new form. Who should rule, the human who feels, or the machine that never tires, never doubts, never breaks? We wanted machines to remove human error, but perhaps it's our flaws that make us human. Our morality, our compassion, our hesitation. These are not bugs in our design. They're features that protect us from ourselves. AI is not our enemy. It's our reflection, magnified, accelerated, digitized. The danger lies not in what it becomes, but in what we choose to teach it. Will we teach it empathy or efficiency, compassion or control? Will we build gods or mirrors? The ethics of AI won't be written by machines. They'll be written by the choices we make right now, because the future doesn't depend on artificial intelligence. It depends on human wisdom.